केसरिया पाल में
What's up guys, welcome to Chopping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. This is our last episode or last night in Jaipur and we have a special place to come and savor the food. It's Cafe Kebabs and you can see right behind me. More importantly, Cafe Kebab itself is with us. Sikandar ji is with us. He owns and runs Cafe Kebab. So he's going to tell us how he started. He is not a restaurant here. His background is something different.
I belong to a service class family.
Okay.
जब मैं सर्विस में था, I did my engineering, then I went for MBA, and after working for 6 years in NEC, I thought कि अब खुद का कुछ करें. मेरा शुरू से फूड के लिए I am passionate about food, बनाना, खिलाना, और हमारे घर में शुरू से बन रहा है नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड. तो I thought कि इसमें कुछ करते हैं.
तो आपने कब शुरू किया है कैफे कबाब?
We started in April 2018.
तो मतलब it's going to be about 4 years.
Yeah, in the coming April we'll be completing 4 years.
So in the next 4 or 5 months they will complete 4 years. But your food is different and very exclusive. Tell us about your food.
No, I'll tell you very honestly.
Yeah.
इसमें ऐसा कुछ भी स्पेशल सीक्रेट नहीं है. हाँ, जो सब करते हैं, हर रेस्टोरेंट के अपने खुद के मसाले होते हैं. हमने कभी किसी को कॉपी करने की कोशिश की
नहीं, लेकिन जयपुर में ऐसा खाना रेयरटी है.
रेयर है थोड़ा सा. जनरली क्या है, जयपुर में प्रेफर करते हैं लोग ग्रेवी और रोटी. इट्स ऑल अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. क्योंकि मुझे खुद पर्सनली ये बहुत पसंद है. तो यहाँ पे जो भी नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स हमने रखे हैं वो जो मैं पर्सनली मुझे पसंद है, मैंने उसी से स्टार्ट किए.
लेकिन आपके पास ग्रेवी आइटम्स भी है.
वी आर सर्विंग ऑल मुगलाई फूड, नहारी, कोरमा, स्टू, एवरीथिंग along with the Chinese.
So this is a place where you can come and have a great meal any time of the day. Cafe Kebabs. So we are going to show you a little bit of the kitchen preparation. Nothing very specific. See everything, and then we are going to taste few dishes. So let's start. We are in Cafe Kebabs on MI Road. I'll give the exact location of Cafe Kebab in the description below. But I'm quite excited with this spread right in front of me. A small spread. We have chicken roast, we have chicken kebab, sea kebab, we have mutton sea kebab, we have chicken popcorn, we have a roll. I don't know what roll is that. We'll taste the chicken roll. Chicken roll, thank you. We have a nice hot khamiri roti. I can't even hold it. It's too hot. So, and we have mutton rara. I don't want to taste many gravy dishes. I thought in this food series I have not tasted much of kebabs. I think hardly any kebabs and starters, so I'll concentrate on these starters. So first, the popcorn. So this is chicken popcorn, very crispy, small pieces. They're freshly made. So let's take a bite. Can't wait. It's past the dinner time and I'm really hungry. It's really fresh and it doesn't come from a frozen packet. So you can taste the chicken. More than that, you can actually taste the spice mix of the outer coating. My favorite, the mutton seek. Just see how bouncy it is. Extremely soft, very succulent. I'm going to just break it. It's quite hot. There's little bit of butter on the outside. I don't think that was necessary, but this is quite nice, very soft. So for you. Extremely soft, extremely soft. I'm going to dip it in the green chutney. Little bit of onion on top. Another bite. Actually, there is a lot of butter in the tray, so you get a taste of butter. You can see the butter on my fingers. Again, you can see the butter here. This is also so succulent, quite nice. I'm going to dip this kebab in this nice green chutney. I think a little bit of onion. It's like a crown. This chicken kebab, seekh kebab is really good. I don't know whether the mutton or chicken is better. Both of them are equally good. Sikandarji says this is one of the hot selling items, the Malai chicken tikka. So let's taste it. There's a lot of cream in there. Actually, plenty of cream. But it doesn't kind of overpower the tikka because the tikka is so soft and is marinated quite well. This is really good. I think in all the things I've tasted, I think the Malai tikka is the best. We have one more dish to taste, that is the chicken roast. That's a small leg piece. I think a piece is hanging. Let me just take it. I think I'm going to just take a bite just like this. Very clean, nicely done. It has not charred much. In all these food items, what I can see is that they're presented quite well. They're plated quite well. They're garnished, and it actually looks good. You know, it's mouth-watering when all these things are in front of you. The roti is still hot. The khamiri roti looks really good. You can see the coriander on top. So soft, still warm. So I'm going to take a small piece, quite fluffy, thick. This is different from the khamiri which we get in Delhi, and this is mutton rara. I'm going to take a little bit of gravy. I think this piece is quite nice. I quite like this is the chop, yes. You can see the chop piece, it's dripping with ghee, but just see, the mutton easily comes off the bone. It's like butter. So let's taste this without the bones on its own. So this is probably the last bite I'm going to have because I've been eating the whole day. We have gone to fantastic places all over Jaipur. But this one is special because these are my favorites. The kebabs, mutton kebab, chicken seekh kebab, chicken roast, chicken popcorn. I think there is a roll, there is malai tikka, and this is mutton rara with khamiri roti. Bite. Cafe Kebabs is a not to be misplaced if you are in Jaipur. It's centrally located on MI Road. All the details of the cafe is given in the description below. Make it a point that you visit this place and savor all these dishes, or at least most of them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video with plenty of kebabs and starters. I really loved taking a bite each of all these dishes. Give it a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion, do it right now, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get the notifications. We are there on social media, and we have a website www.chompingchampion.com. Till the next video, take care and stay fit. Bye.